Hello guys, today in this video session we will discuss about how to implement a secondary site in SCCM. So let us begin. So you can start the installation of secondary site from the administrative console of the configuration manager, either from the cache server or from the primary server. If the administrative console is not open on the cache or the primary server, you can traverse the following path displayed on the top of the picture, that is start, all programs, Microsoft System Center, and then configuration manager. Then you have this create secondary site wizard open for you, and now you can see that the two site system roles are available to get installed on the secondary site server. So proceeding with the next screen, you have the option to fill up, like the site code. You have to specify the secondary site code option. Then you have the site server name, you have to specify that. Then the site name, and finally the installation folder in which the secondary site files or the setup will be installed. Then proceed with the next. And in the next wizard, you have the option to configure the local SQL database for that secondary site server, and you have to choose the first option, which requires the port number, and other is the SQL server service broker port. So you have to specify both the ports and then proceed with the next. Then in the next wizard, here comes the option to check the first box, that is installing and configuring the IIS required for your configuration manager secondary site. Then comes the radio buttons of HTTP and HTTPS, in which if you have selected HTTP, then you do not have to worry about the certificates, and if you choose for HTTPS, then you have to create a self-assigned certificate or import a PKI certificate for that. Then you can proceed for the next. In the next wizard, you have the option to specify the drive space where the secondary site will get installed. So in this screen you can see you have the options like primary content, library location. So if the automatic is selected, that means the secondary site will choose automatically the drive with the most free space and it will get installed there. It chooses the secondary content location only when the primary location gets full and running out of free space. Then in the next wizard, you have the option to specify the content validation settings, in which you can choose a schedule to validate the content on the distribution point as per your environment recommendations. Validation of the content means the integrity of packages on the distribution point. So it will just check whether the source and the destination package content are same or not, and that is how it validates the content. Then the final console you get is to confirm all the settings which you have selected in the previous windows, and then clicking on the next and finishing, you have the secondary site installed in the configuration manager hierarchy. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you must have learned about how to implement a secondary site. If you have any queries or suggestion, please do post out in the comment and I will definitely respond to those. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.